welcome to School of Gardening. I'm Shiny. I stay in Hyderabad, which is in India, and many of them asked me what is the soil mixture I use it for my plants, and here is the solution. So I've taken, let's get into the process. So I've taken red soil, sand, vermicompost, and cocoa peat mixed with vermicompost and cocoa peat and neem cake. So why do we use vermicompost? Vermicompost helps in improving the soil quality. It helps in soil aeration. Also improves the water absorbing capability, and it is packed with nutrients and as well as good amounts of microorganisms. And why do we use cocoa peat? Is cocoa peat helps in absorbing the water, and also it helps in holding the water for longer time, and it gives a good drainage system for the water to drain out. And this is the neem cake. Neem cake, why do we use neem cake? Is good fertilizer which protects our plants from fungal bacterial infections, and as well as it protects the plant roots from nematodes, soil grubs, and as well as white ants. So here is the composition. So 60% of soil, so and 10% of sand, and 30% of 25% of neem, what do you say, vermicompost, and as well as so here is the composition. 60% of soil, red soil, which we can order or we can get it from the nursery, and 10% of sand, and this is 25% of vermicompost and as well as cocoa peat, and 5% neem cake. So let's mix all these together. So let's mix them properly. We should mix them really nice. Like all the components should mix well. So after mixing very nicely, we need to transfer the soil into the pot. Okay, the mixture, it is mixed properly, all the components are mixed properly. Now what we have to do is take a pot and fill the pot with soil. So I'm taking this pot, so let's fill it with soil. Can you see the red soil has turned into a mixture of black and white? So that is how it shows it has mixed really well. Perfectly mixed. So we are done with the mixing of the pot. So we are done with the potting mix. So this is how we use the soil for the plants. In the next video, I will show you how to sow different varieties of seeds and what is the procedure to be followed, the watering technique and all. So I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. With lots of love, Shiny.